So traders, we are into the Thanksgiving holidays right now, or coming up anyway, tomorrow. And all hell is going to break loose next week. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. Let's get straight into it. Let's very first link in the description, guys. Grab that free trading course. Actually, if you check out that free trading course, I have just updated so much new content to that trading course. Like, click on that link in the description below right now. Go to that right now, and on the very next page, even before you actually get access to the course, you will see a description of everything you're going to get access to this course. Okay, trust me, like it's like. Guys, I promise you, if you go get this course from somewhere else, you're paying $200, right? It's like this course is for free to really help you out. So guys, click on that link in the description. Go get access to that free course because I promise you, it's going to really change the way you do things. Anyway, so let's have a good look at the good old stocky market. Out of all the stock market lately, the Dow Jones has been the one that's just been. It's like there's so much indecision with the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is saying, what recession? What bear market? There is nothing here, right? The Dow Jones is very strong. Now, let's actually go back to a simple analysis of how does the market work, okay? I want to draw this here. How does the market work? Does the market work like this, where it just keeps going up and up and up and up? Or does the market do this? It's stair steps. In a bull market, what does the market do? A or B? Class in session. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bing! B, right? Happens in B. So we did the B analogy. And so therefore, if the markets work like that, if the Dow Jones has been doing this for quite some time, does it make sense that we're at least due for some sort of a pullback right here? And I know some of you guys are going to be saying, John, you said the crash is going to happen for the last week. We've missed out on making money today because of your dumbass. I'm probably going to get demonetized now from YouTube, but that's okay. YouTube, I'm sorry, all right? I won't say... MF. Anyway, so we're probably looking at some sort of a pullback, right? And you can see how, look how slow it's been. For the last week, I've been saying we're getting ready for a pullback. And yes, we are going to get a pullback, right? We just don't know when. And so therefore, right now, look how low this volume's been on this last couple updates while hitting this level of resistance. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we started seeing this little flaggy formation break to the downside and start to have this pullback through here. Don't be too surprised, right? All hell's gonna break loose next week. We have the market's giving you a little Thanksgiving, and then it's gonna take away. It's going to be giving you for the Thanksgiving, and then after Thanksgiving, it's gonna take it all away again. Same for the S&P 500. Look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 still having a rally up, but look at this. Look at this on the S&P 500. We are still stuck in this overall sort of pattern through here. Nothing has changed yet, guys, okay? Nothing has changed. And I know if you have a look, check this out. I want to show you something here, right? Because this is where most people are like, oh my goodness, John, that's it. It's all over. The market's going to make a massive move to the upside. Here we go. I'm like, really? Really? That's what my daughter says when she's... let me show you this here, right? Because I think this is really important to understand as well too. So when there's, let's check this out here, right? Fear and greed index, CNN fear and greed index, right? Look where we are. We're still at there's a lot of greed in these markets, and look where we are right now. So we're still at the highs here where we've been for the entire year. Every time since the start of the year, since January 2022. That's right. That's this year. Since this year, every time we've gotten up here, the market hasn't gone down that day, right? But we're getting very close to it. And same for here, and same for here. And where are we right now? John, doesn't matter. The market's going to go to the moon. It's never going to pull back because that's not how the markets work. And every time the market gets greedy, you should be buying when the markets, when people are greedy, right? Because that whole analogy is total BS. Where sell when people are fearful sell when people are greedy and buy when people are fearful. That whole analogy is a whole bunch of bollocks. Why do I listen to that for? No, you're wrong, John. The market doesn't stair step. And you should be buying now because there's a lot of greed in the markets. All right, let me know how that goes for you in a couple of weeks time frame. so no, right? And even like the Nasdaq, especially the Nasdaq, right? Dow Jones is like, what are you talking about? There's actually a lot of indecision with the Nasdaq, with the Dow Jones. S&P, we're getting a pretty good pullback. Nasdaq, like saying, get the hell out of the way because we're about to see a floor through the floor. Which is amazing, right? Which I'm really, 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 really excited about because there's amazing opportunities. So looking at this Nasdaq here, you can see here that we're still look what we're doing, right? Look at this here. I talk a lot about angles with my clients, and whenever we have a strong move down like this, strong like bull, and then we get a weak move like that. Ooh, what does that mean? That means we could be getting ready. It's alert. Warning. Why? Because we could be getting ready for something like this. And if we get something like that and then a big move down, oh my, guys, get ready for that short button. All right, let's see that short button there. Oh, what? You're with Robinhood and they took the short button away? Actually, is Robinhood even actually active these days? I know their stock price is still good, but do you guys actually leave a comment below? Do you guys actually use Robinhood to trade with? I don't. For me personally, I use IG for a lot of my futures and my Forex and crypto trading, stuff like that. And then but then also my options trading, I use Interactive Brokers for that, for my stock trading. Anyway, so looking at this here, guys, we can see that the market is, I'm seeing, if we do get something like this, guys, there's going to be incredible moves to the downside. Do not fight the market, okay? If the market is in a downward trend like the Nasdaq definitely is, down, up, lower, high, down, up, lower, high, down, up, lower, high, down, up, lower, high. Guess what's coming next? Down, down, and down, right? Capitulation, C-A-P... because I don't know how to spell capitulation. I have to do spell check to make sure I get it right. No idea. Just put on cap, right? The sellers are being capped here, or the buyers are being capped here by the sellers, and we're probably not going to see a big move down. So, in all seriousness, guys, I know I'm having a bit of fun here with this here because I love my trading. I just had a couple of the last 24 hours. I've had two really good trades, two really good short-term trades. One was on Bitcoin, real short-term trade, and one was on the S&P 500 today. So two beautiful profits. Again, in that free trading course, guys, I actually teach you my trading system. Like, what how did you trade it? What did you use? Blah, blah, blah. It's like, go learn the system in the free trading course I'm giving away for free, and then go back and look at the charts and you'll be able to see where it is, right? And the reason why I'm saying that, instead of me just giving it to you, is because so therefore you can look for it for the rest of your life. So I hope this helps you out today there, traders. Again, the whole thing about this, guys, is that if there is someone clearly in control of the markets, if we're clearly in a downward trend and the trend hasn't come to an end, then the worst thing to do is try to buy a bottom, right? Do not try to buy bottoms. Because I know a lot of people's like, oh, the bottom's in, and then the market drops. Oh, the bottom's in, the market drops. Oh, the bottom's in, the market drops. Oh, the bottom's in, the market drops. And the bottom's in, the market drops. Like, no, wait for the market to tell you what's going on and then go with the market. And until the market has changed its mind, like a woman, right, which probably will happen next week, then go with that, okay? Because you definitely don't want to fight that, okay? So, and if she is in a down mood today, just go with it. It'll soon change.